Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you best free app update checker software for any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as latest by Max Codes. On the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. I will see here download app option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Now just drag the application to the application folder, then it will get installed. Now you can close it. Now just click on this apps icon. Now you'll see the application, just click on it, click on open. Now it will auto detect and scan all the available updates for my respective Mac computers. So you can see available updates. I have 4 different application updates, and below you can see install apps. So if you're unsure, you might have more app updates, then you can just click on this button to refresh or reload. So in my case, I have only 4 apps updates. So you can click on the respective application and you can click on this update to update this respective applications. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free app update checker software for any Mac computers that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.